Get ready for some amazing performance. What's up guys, so the first smartphone to have Samsung and AMD's love child aka Exynos 2200 chip will be the Galaxy S22 series. But for the first time, this Exynos chip will not just be for smartphone because it's so powerful that it's gonna be used inside laptops. Yes, this potentially means that Galaxy S22 will have desktop level performance. According to a brand new report coming from Korean media, Samsung is working hard on revealing their next big Exynos chip in the second half of this year. Industry sources say that this brand new Exynos chip will offer a lot of improved functions, including a brand new updated 5nm processing technology, big battery efficiency gain, and a full-on AMD Radeon graphics. Korean media is further saying that Samsung is looking to rival Apple's M1 processor that we recently see completely blowing away the whole competition. Now, considering those early leaked benchmarks when it comes to the GPU performance of the Exynos 2200, there's a good chance that Exynos 2200 could at least level or may even surpass Apple A15 chip that we're going to see on the iPhone 13. Whether it'll come close to Apple M1's performance, we'll have to wait and see. Now, Samsung is also competing against Qualcomm at the same time. They're set to reveal their brand new 3rd generation Snapdragon PC chip this year, so we'll see where Qualcomm is going as well. All in all, the competition is getting intense, but best believe Exynos chips are getting incredibly strong. The fact that this Exynos chip will be used inside a laptop means Galaxy S22 series will be immensely powerful. Also, we've got a complete camera specs leak for the Galaxy Fold 3. Samsung is indeed using a triple 12-megapixel camera setup on the back, so it's not the same as the camera sensor from the S21 Ultra. Still, it will be a very capable camera for a foldable device. But the main exciting camera here is the under-display camera, which is going to be a 16-megapixel Sony IMX7 sensor. This is the first time we're seeing a major brand putting under-display camera on its major flagship device, so I'm really hoping that the image quality should be on par with a traditional front camera sensor. As for the cover display, we still have a punch hole that has a 10-megapixel Sony sensor. Now again, Galaxy Z Flip 3 won't be having an under-display camera because most likely Samsung wants the S22 Ultra to be their first flagship smartphone to have an under-display camera. Now speaking of under-display camera, Xiaomi is doing something very interesting. According to a brand new Xiaomi patent, they are working on an under-screen flip camera. This is like a pop-up camera setup, but the difference is that it actually sits inside the display rather than being outside. When you launch the camera, the under-display camera will rotate and come close to the screen, and that area will become transparent for the light to enter. In that way, you'll be able to take selfies, and as soon as you close the application, the camera will flip back to its place. The concept sounds crazy, and we have yet to see a traditional under-display camera from Xiaomi and even Oppo. Once again, it is Samsung who's bringing the under-display camera to a flagship international product, the Galaxy Fold 3, beating out both Xiaomi and Oppo. So that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts regarding the ultimate performance that is coming with the Galaxy S22 lineup. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.